Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a tax rate in Xero. This is an essential skill for ensuring your invoices are accurate and compliant with tax regulations, making your billing process smooth and professional. First, open your browser and navigate to login.xero.com. You'll see the login page where you need to type your Xero account email and password into the fields provided. Once you've entered your credentials, click the login button to access your Xero dashboard. This is your main workspace where you'll manage all your financial activities. Once you're logged in, look at the top navigation bar and click on Sales. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Invoices. This action will take you to the Invoices page, which is the central hub for all invoice-related activities in your Xero account. You'll now be directed to the Invoices page. This page houses all the invoices you've created with this Xero account, displayed with their different statuses like draft, awaiting payment, or paid. To create a new invoice where you can add your tax rate, click on the New Invoice button. This will open up a fresh invoice creation page. On the invoice creation page, you'll need to fill in the recipient of this invoice first. Start by adding a contact. This could be a client or customer you've already saved in your system, or you can create a new contact right here. Having the correct contact ensures your invoice reaches the right person. Next, add the issue date and due date for this invoice. The issue date is when the invoice is created, while the due date is when payment is expected. If you have a reference number available, perhaps from a purchase order or project code, you can also add it in the reference field. This helps with tracking and organization. Now we get to the core part. In the items field, you'll need to add the item you're billing for along with its description, quantity, and price. Once you've filled in these details, it's time to set the tax rate. Click on the tax rate field, and a drop-down selection will appear. This is exactly how you add a tax rate to your invoices in Xero. From the drop-down, select the proper tax rate based on your items. You might see options like GST, VAT, or other region-specific tax rates. If the tax rate you need isn't listed, you can create a new one by clicking on the plus button that says Create New Tax Rate. This gives you the flexibility to customize tax settings according to your business needs. Once you've selected or created the appropriate tax rate and filled in all the necessary invoice details, click on Approve and Email at the top right corner of your screen. You've successfully added a tax rate to your invoice and it's now ready to be sent to your client. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.